So I was cleaning out the emu water trough, and look what I found. Some kind of little salamander or newt or something. I'm not really sure what exactly he is. And he's pretty cool. My phone camera's like jumping around all over the place. I don't know. He's ready to go. We're gonna let him go. There you go. Goodbye. Let him go right back where we found him. Come here. Come here. I'll be real gentle. He's really small. Come here. Real gentle. Put you right there. Don't want you to dry out. Okay. How you doing, Cupcake? She's like, I'm enjoying this dust bath. I need this dust bath.
There's your lady. Go take a bath, dust bath.
Really just leave them in here today.
Yeah, it might be a good idea.
Mr. Pip, he's like, I ain't got no bugs. I'm a house rooster. I don't get bugs. She's enjoying. Oh my goodness, Cookie, we hear you. She's enjoying that dirt bath, though. Mr. Pip's like, what are you doing? I don't know if he's ever had anyone teach him how to take a dirt bath. He's like, I don't know what my lady's doing. There's something wrong with my lady. See how he's looking at her? He's like, I don't know what she's doing. It ain't right. Oh, she got your feathers all ruffled, Mr. Pip. He's like, she being crazy over there. Get it, girl. Get it, girl. He's like, don't you worry. I will get all of this dust. Oh, it feels so good. This is how all chickens... This is how all chickens should get to spend their days. You a lucky girl. You just don't know. You won the lottery. You won the lottery. 1 in a billion. What do you think, Mr. Pip? What do you think, sir? Should we just leave you in here? Leave you in this big spot all day today? See how that goes over?
I don't really want to do that because nobody else can get to the dust bath then.
Oh, okay. Well, you're going in your regular house then today, I think. Look at that dust cloud. Oh my goodness, Cupcake. Happy chicken. All right, so we all know our resident good boy, our best boy, but you know we have a troublemaker. Do you see how she's just the look on her face? This is Brew. I don't really know how old she is, but she's been here for like 6 years, and she still won't let me touch her. Meanwhile, Smokey's coming over here. Hey, Smokey, you want to give you some head rubs, huh? Yes, I'll give you them head rubs. He like, my ears itch. I don't know why. He's a good boy. And this is his territory. This is not her territory. She is supposed to be in the front of the house. The front is your territory, Brew. It's like, whatever. So, I guess she's not going to be starting any trouble with Smokey. I think that usually she just kind of fights with Soot. Smokey's pretty cool. He's pretty laid back, aren't you, bud? But Soot ain't playing that. No, she would take her down. Oh, I hear them purrs, too. I hear them purrs. Look, he's got some pretty gray fur. Look at that fur. Very pretty. You're very beautiful, Smokey. He's got some big feet. Look at them feet on that cat, man. Yes. So you're part panther. That would be cool to have a gray panther. Not that one exists, but would be cool. Yes. Oh, you was just the best boy. I do like this guy a lot. Yes, I do. I do. Go give them ear rubs in. Yes, sir. It's a good boy. So, Scarlett's clearly enjoying her snacks. This is the snack pool. It's just kind of a way to put out all of the produce and stuff without it getting too gross. Gives the chickens a better opportunity to enjoy it. She's like, I will eat these snacks. But that pool just can't hold water anymore. So, uh-oh. Here comes Friendly, Scarlet. He's coming to say hi. Those two would make some beautiful baby chickens.
And we'll never know.
And we'll never know. That's true. Yeah, you a handsome guy. He's like, I make beautiful babies no matter who I make them with. Even though I don't have any tail feathers.
It's funny looking like that.
He does look funny with no tail feathers. What's up, Puddles? What's up, my guy? He's like, I'm just going about my business. Don't mind me. I'm coming over here to talk to this lady. That's Sage in there. I don't know where Blue is. There's Turkey Lurk. And a couple of clown birds. Right. Oh, there's Blue. He's like, I'm taking this bath, man.
You take care of putting Tip and Cupcake away?
Yeah.